All right, guys, let's go ahead and talk about the media library. So this is where we can upload any files or images or anything that we want to display or be downloadable on the site. As you can see right now, there's just a few images on this particular site. And then there's also a couple of different products and a couple of different galleries. So I'm going to show you how to navigate around this and then how to add a couple of things to it. So the first thing is, this is your main folder for all of your media. In this folder, you've also got subfolders, and these different images kind of show you a little bit. These icons kind of give you an idea of what each thing is. So the folder, of course, is a folder. This little square, this is actually an image. And then this one with the text, this is a PDF. So this is a written document versus an image, right? And that's really all you need to know about those icons. You can also see here, because there's a preview of any of the images, so you can tell which ones are images. And then here's the actual name of the image, name of the folder, name of the document, and all that sort of stuff. Here's where you can edit the names of those things, the size of each one of them, and as far as like how much data each one of them is using. And then also the date at which it was added, and the ability to delete it here with the trash cans. Okay, so if we open up one of these folders, say we open up galleries, in this particular one there's no items, but we'll go back here. And the way you go back is you use these things called breadcrumbs, is what these are. When you see this little arrow and it goes to things. So if we click back to media library here, we're going to go right back to our main page. We'll go into product because I know that has a whole bunch. Right, so these are all the images, and you can see there's your image symbol, the preview, all of the same sort of thing. It's just in that subfolder instead of the main folder there. So that's just an organizational thing that you can do. And the way you add a new folder, so let's say there was a new product line or a new a new branch to the business, whatever it is, we can create a folder, and we'll just call it test in this case. And we're going to hit submit, and you'll see now I have this test folder. So now if I want to come in here, and it doesn't matter which folder you're in, you notice that this upload and new folder doesn't really change. Even if I go into test, so this all stays the same. Here we have no items, so we can actually upload an item. It's going to take us to our upload page. All you're going to do is hit select files. It's going to open a window on your computer. And in this case, I have an image here, so I'm just going to do this image. Now, notice it looks like it's going to upload, but it's actually not uploading, right? We need to come down here and click upload in order to commit that upload. And now you'll see I have this image on the website, and it is there and available for me to link to do anything. So when I'm in my pages or blog posts or anything and I go to add an image, this is now available for me to take that image and put it into the post, right? And since we're talking about the media library, one of the things I want to do is I'm going to come back out here to pages, and let's go to the About Us page. And I just want to show you in the editor, you can actually do the same thing. So insert image. Here where we click our source, see what this does? It opens up the media library. So this is another path to do the same exact thing. There's our test folder. Right? If I open that up, I now have access to this particular image, and I can put that image right into the blog post like we talked about. Or if I want to upload a new image, so I'll delete this image, and what I'll do is click upload, and it's going to give us the same options as before, where we select a file. I come here and I can upload it right here on the post page instead of having to go over to the media library tab and do it here. So you have both options to be able to work with it. And this is going to be usually used for images and documents specific to this page, where the media library function itself is going to be for the whole entire site. So that's kind of the overview on the media library, and with this combined with your personal training, you should be able to get through any part of that. So I will see you in the next video.